Today we're going to talk about third and mixed conditionals, how to talk about regrets and impossible situations with confidence. Okay, let's go. The third conditional talks about things that did not happen and their imaginary results. This is all about regret, reflection, and what if. Be careful, we don't always say would have. Sometimes we use could have or might have. It's not just grammar. We use this all the time for regrets, criticism, or advice. Sometimes it's emotional or even blaming. And be careful, we also contract phrases too. Finally, let's talk about mixed conditionals. Here we mix time. Past action affects the present. For example, a past mistake gives a present result. Okay, let's look at the second kind of mixed conditional. Here, present situation affects the past result, or the present condition explains a past result. Let's look at some examples. Okay, great work, everybody. Remember to like and subscribe to the revision station for more grammar videos. Okay, bye bye.